Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we're going to do lesson 18 inshallah, and this is basically going to be dealing with the dual and plural nouns. So let's go through the text and inshallah we'll explain as we go along. In this lesson we learn the following. Unlike English, Arabic has three numbers: singular, plural, and dual. So this is a very unique thing in the language of Arabic, that it goes from one, two, and then more than two is regarded as jama' or plural. Dual refers to two, and more than two is plural. The dual form ends in ani. Okay, so baytun, one house, a house. Baytani, two houses. Yadun, a hand. Yadani, two hands. The dual of hada is hadani, and of hadihi is hatani. So hada is masculine, obviously. So hadani is going to be the dual form of that. So these two. And hadihi is the feminine when you're pointing to something feminine, and the female version of that will be, or the dual version of that will be hatani. So hadani kitabani, these are two books. Hatani sayyaratani, because sayyara is feminine. So hatani sayyaratani, these are two cars. The dual of huwa and hiya is huma, and this is for both masculine and feminine it's used. Who are these two boys? Man hadani al-waladani. Who are these two boys? Huma talibani jadidani. They are two new students. Ain al-ukhtani. Where are the two sisters? So this is the female example. Huma fil ghurfati. They are both in the room. Note that the adjective qualifying a dual noun is also dual. Okay, so basically any adjective, okay, so kitabani kabirani. Okay, so you have to make that dual too. Big books, kitabani kabirani. Kam. Kam means how many. Note that the noun following kam is singular and in the accusative case. For example, kam kitaban, kitab is singular and it is in the accusative case, meaning it has two fathas on it. Kam kitaban, how many books? Kam sayyaratan, how many cars? Note that a noun with tanween in the accusative case takes an alif which is not pronounced. For example, kitabun, kitabin, kitaban. So the ban, it takes an alif and it is actually pronounced when you stop on it, kitaba. Okay, but not in general reading. But a noun in the round ta does not take this alif. For example, sayyaratun, sayyaratin, sayyaratan. So there's no alif at the end of this noun. Some new words: al-ajalatu, wheel; as-saburatu, writing board, blackboard; al-Eid, festival; al-riyal, riyal, Saudi currency; as-sana, year, also known as am; al-hay, city or district. That's not supposed to be a jim there. Al-hay. An-nafidhatu, window; al-rak'atu, the rak'ah, and the plural of it is rak'at; mistara, ruler. Note that the second letter ka has sukoon in the singular and fatha in the plural. In al-rak'ah, al-rak'ah, and raka'at, raka'at.